What's up, guys? It's your boy Justin. I was literally aiming for a Fafnir, uh, Mirage Fafnir, but my dad went to the wrong store. He went to, he went to Walmart. I wanted him to go to Target, and Walmart barely had Beyblades, and so the only one that looked cool and looked strong is Union Achilles. So I just got Union Achilles. So you already know what the stats are. So let's just open it.
Where's the remote?
Mom got it.
Why?
I don't know.
Where'd she put it?
I don't know.
Why did she put it? I'm sorry.
Whoa, this thing big. Wait, let me try something. Oh, it actually comes off. I've seen it. Dang it! It's not rubber. Let me see this. Whoa, this looks good. I actually kind of don't like it because of this part. Because it's so little. So I'm gonna leave this on for the rest of the time. Okay, and I got a certain combo for it. This and this, so let's put that in. That's the combo I have. Oh, I don't have the base stadium, so. This is a quick video, guys. This is just a quick video. I'll just show you like a launch study. This top is really big. It just knocked out my phone. Okay. See you guys. Peace.